this is our little garden, at least part of it. It looks kind of confused. There's stuff all over the place. We're beginner gardeners, and some of this stuff was not supposed to grow, and some of it we planted and grew and mixed in with everything else, so everything's kind of all disorganized. But one of the things I wanted to show you here is this one right here. This is honey nut squash, and I'm really looking forward to tasting that. A friend of ours, Grace, gave us some seeds a couple years ago, and we finally got to plant them. You can see there its flowers are trying to do something. We had several beautiful flowers, large, but they just keep folding up and falling off, and I think it's because they're not being pollinated at this time of the year. And there's some more right here. It starts out as small, and then it's green, and it turns like that color, and it gets more and more orangish. And here we've got a little stubborn fellow that doesn't want to grow, but the color is just really nice. And so we know that the color of the other ones, when they get mature, are going to turn like that. So that's our little honey nut squash, and we're really looking forward to trying that. If you ever tried that, let us know what it tastes like in the comments.